fair value gap here being formed. I definitely like the girth on this one a little more, you know what I'm saying? Like the girth on this one a little more. Hang on, I might market execute guys along, but I'm just gonna chill on this for a second, okay? Just gonna give this a beat to see if it's actually gonna hold, or we're just gonna inverse it right off the rip on the next candle. You know, if it looks like it's gonna hold, we could always hop in really anywhere near it, and then put our stop below. I'd probably put it below the 3 candle fair value gap sequence. What I'm trying to avoid is like we get a little seek and destroy profile. We just like swept this low, or swept this high, I mean, and then, you know what I mean, we just come and do the other thing, or the same thing here. I'm trying to avoid that. You feel? But otherwise, yeah, if we keep going higher here quickly, it should leave an imbalance on like a 5-minute, 3-minute that we could play off of. So that's kind of the the dealio there. Not getting FOMO. Kind of would like to see, you know, a low that we put in this leg gets souped, and that would be, to me, the most ideal long entry. Is it totally crazy to think we would leave a 30-minute gap here and then come back, sweep all of this, tap into here, and then be ready to go? That actually sounds probably the most likely scenario, to be honest. Same with the, well, 1 hour's got 40 more minutes left, but sometimes these 30-minute, you know what I mean? We sometimes skip the 30-minute chart, and these 30-minute inefficiencies can fucking sneak up on a guy. I'll say the same thing, man. I guess if we inverse here, let's run it. We got a sweep of the low. Pulled back to equilibrium of this price leg here. OTE. I like it a lot more now if we can get this. If not, I am Jay chillin'. Jay chillin'. You know what I mean? Jay chillin'. That's the thing. Looking like I will be entering though as soon as this candle closes. Stop at the low. Look at that fucking... Look at that beautiful entry in the wrong direction. That's so funny. Trade, sell, stop. How big is this? Oh, it's not bad. Honestly, I'm probably going to let it trade through this high and go risk-free and just see what we can get. Keep in mind, 30-minute candle closing here. This might just dick us and come right for this 30-minute gap. Okay, stopped out. I mean, I quite literally couldn't have had a worse entry. You could say I bought high and sold low. All right, I'm gonna short this. And I'm gonna put my stop right there. I just gotta do it. I just gotta do it. Down to the 30-minute gap. We got macro coming in 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes, guys. That Veronica Vaughn is one piece of ace. I know from experience. No, you don't. Well, not me, but a guy I know. Him and her got it on. Woo-wee! No, they didn't. No, they didn't. But you can imagine what it'd be like if they did, right? Right? Is everybody on? Good, great, grand, wonderful. No yelling on the bus. Name that movie. All right, guys. I'm going break even. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. Let me make my money back. Look at all these equal lows here on ES. Come on, bitch. Get down here. Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. I should be about break even on the day now. Fuck my ass. 30-minute gap. Let's go. But yeah, I'm just staying patient here. I don't know. We could, shit, for all I know, we could just melt. You know what I mean? Why not? But yeah, look at that. This 30-minute order block looks awfully nice. 1 hour. No, I like the 30-minute more. 15 minutes. Just swept this low. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's fucking go, guys. Is this the soup? Is this the soup? Because SMT here now. Low is being taken. Oh boy, I'm scared. You know, guys? You know what, guys? No. God, dude, I'm so close to wanting to enter, to be honest with you. I might hop in here. Might hop in. I think I will. One contract only. One contract I'm in. My stop. Sell stop. What kind of risk are we looking at right now? I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this risk. I did turtle soup this low. This low I wasn't fond of. This low I'm a lot more fond of. In a gap here too. 30-minute OB, 30-minute FEG. I'm running this thing, baby. Let's fucking go. Otherwise, my risk is about $400 or $500, so I'll be down a little bit again if this fails here. But I just don't know what kind of expectations I have. Like, is it a little overzealous to aim for this high based on market conditions so far today? It might be. I might just aim for this. A low hanging fruit. As low hanging as your nuts need to be in order to trade turtle soup entries. 30-minute OB, boys. God, that looks sexy. I can't lie to you. Hey! Oh no, is that a 5-minute? 3-minute gap? Ooh. We're inside of a 3-minute bearish gap here. Let it pull back into this gap here. So therefore, I think I'm just gonna take my risk off, guys. I don't know. This might be retarded of me to do. No faith, but yeah, stop there. Break even, basically. Like, this is kind of what I'm not wanting to be a part of, is this back and forth. So obviously, if it continues lower, avoiding a loss will make me really happy. But already, I would not have, like, if I just stayed in it the whole time with my stop down here, I don't know, just wouldn't be a fan of that. The only lingering thought for the longs as well as this opening range gap that's still left to be filled. It was filled on ES, which is the only reason we thought maybe it wouldn't need to be filled. But kind of looks like we might head there. So let's wait out these next 10 minutes, see what this macro presents. Maybe it will present something that we don't expect. If not, I think I will wait for a little later in the day to maybe see if we get more buy-side delivery. We've left behind a big 5-minute inefficiency there now. So that's what I mean. I feel like this move back up could be a little bit higher resistance, which I think it could be a reason why we would accumulate first. I do think we are eventually going higher. I do. It's just a matter of when that's going to happen. And trying to avoid any unnecessary losses is the priority here. Right. Because as well, you've got equilibrium of this range here in this big inefficiency. So who's to say we didn't rebound? That's why I just want to do low-hanging fruit target for the long there. I'm like, we could just come up here, rebalance, right? Fill inefficiencies, and then kind of continue down to here, right? And then now, obviously, the more we wait around, the more we're creating inefficiencies on even higher time frames. 5-minute now right there. 15-minute, maybe we'll see. 11 minutes left on that. But either way, this already would have turned into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12-minute trade. 13-minute trade. All to just chop around in here. That's not good. Yeah, that's probably a sign we're going lower. Generated buy side, swept this, hit the order block. That was fast. Kind of leads me to believe this might be on the docket first. I mean, I'm most likely done trading this morning, obviously, but just want to give this macro a chance to play out, see what it does. Just tape reading purposes, basically. But yeah, I'll probably look to revisit price again lunch and PM session.